This is Richard Gonzalez, real estate broker in the Silicon Valley, giving you a 3-minute market update specifically for the Santana Row area. And we're going to get right into it. I'm going to show you the area that I'm covering, beginning down here with Hamilton, going across San Tomas Expressway, over across Saratoga Avenue, through Newhall, which is right on the border of Santa Clara, Park Avenue, down to Meridian, Southwest Expressway, and then back down to Hamilton. So here's the data for 2011, beginning with January 1st of 2011, all the way up to the beginning of March. So the last 60 days of data. And to give you a quick snapshot, the median list price for the properties that have sold in the area, which by the way was 42 properties that have sold as of the beginning of 2011. The median list price was $525,475. The actual sale price that occurred was $520. So there is a little bit of bargaining going on. 98.96. The one interesting thing here is that it's taking 114 days for the average for these properties to sell, indicating to me that there still is quite a few distressed properties in our marketplace, and that we are dealing with short sales that are taking longer to move. 3-bedroom, 2-bath is the average, 1,500 square feet, right around 7,500 lot size. Moving over to the type of financing that's being used for the sales that have occurred as of yet, it's all conventional. So people are putting at least 10–20% down, 66% to the overwhelming majority. Small portion is putting down 30%. So there are people still out there with cash that are taking advantage of some of these opportunities. And there are just a few people that have taken advantage of FHA and have been able to successfully close with FHA. So you don't see a lot of the 3% down that's really occurring here in the Santana Row area. This graph here indicates the sale price to list price, or list price to sale price. So in blue, you see the price that these properties were listed for, and then in green indicates what they actually sold for. So I see a couple of spikes here in the mid 500s that ended up selling between 500 and 600. So there's a little more competition between the 500 and 600 range for the Santana Row area, which should be a good indicator for you as a buyer, where you are probably going to be running into a little more competition. And then also down in the 300 to 400 range, which is a great entry-level area, which covers, for example, the Burbank area, right very close to Santana Row and all the major freeways. So this is Richard Gonzalez, real estate broker here in the Silicon Valley, talking about the Santana Row sales as of the beginning of 2011 through the beginning of March. Please follow me on Twitter and on Facebook, and we'll talk to you soon.